এটা সেটা ইউএমপি নি।
Hello everybody.
Sup?
We have PewDiePie. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
We have Sarge Links. Say hi to YouTube. Never mind. We have the fourth person, Andider. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi everyone. We will surely rock in this game. Wait, Ami.
Pai, what the viewers should do before they watch this video?
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes, everybody, like, comment, and subscribe, and also
Don't forget
share
to
the
share the
video.
video.
And also,
Watch your back. Enemy ahead. 2 enemies
hey
ahead.
guys, don't forget to follow the gamerguy_07 on Insta.
Yeah, these guys are mad.
Lol.
Literally.
Come on, guys. We can
Who play Among Us?
No, it has bounty.
It's a bounty.
Yes, I have bounty.
You have a bounty.
No.
I literally,
Why?
Here we go again.
Excellent work.
Oh,
I killed a man with the fist.
Excellent
Wow.
work. I need a gun, man.
We are all brown mundas.
Let's
Stay
focus
together.
on the
Hey,
let's
Yago.
focus on
You
the
what?
game. Let's focus on the game rather than talking. Enemies everywhere. We are surrounded.
but we can do it.
I don't have a gun. I need a freaking gun.
Not we can, we will. We will reveal the danger.
Here is a sniper if anyone wants.
I want.
Okay.
Damn.
I don't even have a gun. I'm
Me too.
running with a punch.
I am getting shot,
see
I am
his
getting
skills,
shot
like
by
I'm the
enemy.
one-punch man.
Help! There is revive me so that I can take that loot at least. Oh,
Ashik, here we go again.
oh no, no,
Marco,
no.
revive me.
Wait.
Great work by Surge Links.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. He's behind us, he's behind us, he is behind us. Oh my god.
Kill me. I need a revive.
Yo.
Oh my
Hey, Sergeant, no,
god.
escape.
No.
Escape. Beauty, escape.
We are literally getting shot.
Mission abort. Mission abort.
I did it.
Escape.
Revive us at
Run on
least.
your agents.
Oh my god.
Escape. Mission
Wait.
abort.
I have less.
Oh, crud.
Oh wow, that was some worthy man's work.
Damn, we lost two of our.
Revivals on it.
Hey, Great Warrior has sent me a request.
No need.
Okay, I'm crossing it. I'm crossing it.
Literally need.
I reacted to booking. Go to the
Literally we need to.
revivals.
PewDiePie, move your pet, or else it will expose
His
us.
name is Pewdie. Only Pewdie.
I am not PewDiePie. I am PewDiePie 0 something. I don't even remember my name.
Pewdie P062770.
And leader, now
Remember your
stop
code
talking.
names.
And leader,
70.
stop talking. We need to focus.
If we ever go to court, we won't be able to rescue you if you don't know your name.
We are reviving.
Everybody's
We are
grounded
reviving.
and surrounded.
We will revive.
I am using the skill of Mr. Games.
We have to come back. Oh yeah.
We have revived it.
We are back.
We have revived
Oh,
them
yeah.
successfully.
We are back, bitches.
Wait for me. Too bad.
Where did I die?
That
You
side.
died.
You
I
died
chopped you
near
out.
the. No.
Digga.
We died in the. Oh my god. No! I died. I died.
Bravo.
No! Why did you do that? I literally lost so much stuff.
And
You
more,
cannot
bruh.
imagine how much stuff I
bruh.
lost.
And I looted your thing.
Why did you do that?
bruh.
I am dead.
Let's wait here. Let's wait here.
Oh yes, I got my glider.
Oh, glider.
If anyone wants, he or she can view me. I have no gender discrimination.
Name your character.
I am
My
Master K.
character is Professor K.
But I am also K, but this circle is not appearing.
It is
Oh,
appearing.
wow, K.
Oh, it is not appearing now. Help me, literally. Pewdie, you killed me in the car crash.
Hey, Asachi Dodge. Please view me. I did no gender discrimination.
What will I
Hey,
use?
and Jada, please shut up.
Okay, let's stop
Who
with
is
the
your baby speaking
let's stop with the funny accent, guys. Let's focus.
Wait, SRT, is it appearing now?
What? Which one?
Hey, teacher,
No,
you
the
can shut
circle
your
is
ass
still
off.
not appearing.
Now.
It appeared for 2 seconds. Now it's gone. Now it's appearing. Again it disappeared.
আচ্ছা শোন, আমরা যেখানে বাংলা বলছি ওইগুলো কেটে দিই।
PewDiePie, are you trying to kill Anteater with the car blast?
Nobody cares.
On a glider or
Lesson of today: no, do not drive a car
Hey, we have
on
to stick
fire.
together.
A shotgun.
We buy two things. First, we need the revival cards, and then we need some, guns and other
We
things.
have guns, literally. We
Hey,
have guns.
teacher.
Like the
How are you doing, bro?
Show me take the escape. SRT,
Please,
take
please.
the escape.
I have guns now. MP5K, max 7 time, and this shotgun. I have got enough guns. They are battling with it.
There's a drop there. Drop there. Sorry.
Where
Come on, drop.
Drop, let's
Can we go
go.
drop hunting?
Which
Oh,
drops?
literally,
There are
oh,
literally 3 drops now. There are literally 3.
Which is
You
the
will lead the
closest?
way.
I literally cannot understand which is the close. Everything
Give
is
me
far.
that boss.
Oh, there is a drop
mine-
across that area. That side in the
I'm going for the
255
middle.
degree.
I'm going for the
250
middle one.
Same. Wait. Hey, there is the closest one. Is that one on the hill? Hey, wait, they are all in the same line. They are in the same line actually. It does not
That
even
one
matter.
is far away.
Oh, wait.
No. This one is close.
If you find SG ammo, tell me.
I also need SGM.
Yes, same.
Same thing,
How
sorry.
is PewDie so fast? Leave
And
something
how
for
am
me.
I so arrogant?
Give me the UAV light.
Oh, literally. They finished it all.
Let's
Give
go.
me the UAV light.
I have it. Sorry. Here you go. PewDiePie, here is it. Welcome.
Don't set the UAV light now.
Hey, let's go to the second drop. Second drop. Literally, there is. Oh, second drop. The third drop. We are going to the closest. Is that the monster truck? Are you kidding me? That is the monster truck. That is the monster truck. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Okay. Oh, enemy. I repeat, enemy ahead. Enemy ahead. Oh. Oh, kill him.
Enemy dead.
Kill him.
Oh, dead.
There is plenty of loot here. You can all take it. SMG ammo. So much stuff. So many people died here actually. Glider, give me the enemy ahead. Literally. Oh my god. Full squad, I think. I repeat.
Yeah, it's a full squad. It's a full
I don't have
squad.
bullets. I'm out. No, I still have
Full squad. It's
bullets.
a full squad.
Help. Literally, I'm dying. Anti-material launcher. Somebody take the rocket launcher.
I have an ice gun.
So use it. Oh my god. I'm risking my life to save these people now. Oh my god. Sniper head. I died. I need revival now.
Baron, you guys.
No. I died again. Damn.
Rip, Sumi. Rip.
Who let him die in the safe zone? Everybody go. It's up to you all now. Does anybody have a revival card?
Because
Does anybody have revival card?
no, sorry.
Oh, no.
Leave the enemy. Focus on reviving our teammate.
I need the SG ammo, sorry.
We do not leave any people. Okay, Sarge Links, I'm watching your back while spectating.
Come on, guys, where are you?
Go. Sarge Links has met up.
Come on, Undeader, come on. Let's go.
Anything good in the drops? Anything good in the drops?
Revival zones are closed, unfortunately.
Damn. Anybody has a lot of that token one? Anybody has a lot of token?
I don't.
Oh no, we don't have any token also.
I mean,
Oh, Sarge Links is looting.
anybody
Medkit.
Here is some SG ammo.
I have enough.
I am spectating PewDiePie now. Let's see how he plays.
That is killing me. Oh, I got a fight. Okay.
And Deedar and Sarge Links are battling to death.
But in the battle of death, there is no damage. Wow. Oh, there is a loot box there.
Snipers in our way.
That can be a
Watch out for snipers.
Where?
Watch out for Nandali.
Who is that person now?
Bruh.
Literally,
Stay in the house.
PewD, do you have M60 Spas and the ice gun? Take another machine gun.
I think we can loot this house safely. I don't know.
Ow.
just camping.
One thing, there are only 8 people left. There are only 8 people left.
Yes, fine.
Get in the zone.
Means.
Stay in the house for safety. Stay in the
Please,
house.
there are 5 people who have rather than us.
What?
5 people.
5 people.
There's a blue wall there. There's a blue wall there.
Where
PewD.
are you, Sarge Links?
22 meter away.
Come on, Sarge Links.
PewD,
Don't risk your survival.
it is advisable for you to use some other machine gun except the M60.
Hey, confidence.
You
You
may
go to
die.
the house at front.
Okay.
And that's it all.
Andy, that is just.
Risk it all. Risk it now or go home. Go big or go home.
There literally the safe zone is not there.
Enemy is ahead.
Where?
Wait.
Red barrel blown. I repeat. Red barrel is blown away by somebody. And Andy that is enjoying his glider.
I think someone is here. I have a feeling.
Then kill him. Duh.
Come on, team. We can do this.
Somebody is sniping.
Wait, there's one. Literally there in the center.
Okay. He's down. There's an enemy there. Oh, run.
Don't die at this point.
Get in the house. Get in the house.
Behind you. Two enemies. Spotted 3. Literally they are in the center. Grenade up ahead. Grenade in the center. Move from there.
These guys are hard.
There is the. Beauty, in front of you, behind the bush. There's shoot.
Thank you for the bonfire.
Oh my god, I thought that was a gun. Ooh.
Good kill.
Um,
Okay, one guy left. That guy is in the house. I repeat.
We will win this. We'll get the booyah for Shumi. I officially did the name reveal.
1000 IQ play now. We won it.
That's a good man.
Let's go.